everyone to today's edition, in which we will be looking specifically at sine rule, that is from trigonometry. So we'll look at how to use the sine rule to find the missing side or the missing angle. Now, it is important to know what are the conditions which are needed for you to use the sine rule in a non-right angled triangle. So number one, you must be given a non-included angle. Non-included angle means it must not be between the two given sides. That is condition number one. Condition number two means you must be given any two angles or any side. Any two angles and any side, then that also qualifies you to use the sine rule. So what we do next here is you identify the pair which is completely given, that is the angle and its opposite side. So looking at what we have here, basically we don't have that kind of a condition, but we can come up with one because we are given two angles and you can find the missing angle there, which will form a pair with the given side down here. So now that means 60 and 8 will be added and we subtract from 180. So these are giving us 140 and you will get angle Z as 40 degrees. So angle Z is equal to 40 degrees. So the next thing we do now is you name the sides based on the angles given. So this is our angle Z. The side opposite will be side Z or side small letter Z. This is angle X. The side opposite will be side small letter X. And Y, the side opposite will be side small letter Y. So now, let's go to what they want us to find. They are saying find the length of YZ. So YZ, on YZ we have a small x. So you write x divided by its angle, which is the x. So now you include the side. So it will be x over sine angle x is equal to, you get now the pair which is complete. So the complete pair here is the pair for z, which is here. You start with the side because here we started with the side. So you're going to have sine z divided by sine angle z. And then we replace. So we're going to have x here is what we're finding, which is yz. That is yz divided by sine angle x, which is 60 degrees. This is equal to, then side z, we have 6 centimeters divided by sine z, which is angle z. So angle z is what you're finding there, which is 40 degrees. And then we cross multiply. Now when we cross multiply like that, we are going to have yz sine 40 degrees. This is equal to sine 60 degrees multiplied by 6 centimeters up there. We are getting 5.196. So to find yz, we divide both sides by sine 40 degrees. Even here, we say sine 40 degrees. The two will divide and we will remain with yz which we are finding. So this is equal to, divided by sine 40 degrees, we are getting 8.08, that is centimeters. So yz has been found is equal to 8.08. Then shall we go to question B? Question B says find the area of triangle XYZ. So to find XYZ, the area of a non-right angled triangle has a specific formula, and the general formula is area is equal to half AB sine C. So now, the AB which are here, these are small letters. Small letters represents sides. So now, and these should include the angle which is given there. That means the angle we are going to use here should be the angle which is formed by the sides we are putting here. So now, looking at our triangle here, we have got this given side, and we are from finding the side which is here. This is 8.08, meaning automatically, since the side there is not given, we will use this side and this side here. And then on top of that, we should automatically use this angle because it is the one which is being formed by the two given sides. So you're going to have area is equals to half multiplied by, you're going to have 8.08 multiplied by 6 multiplied by angle C. In this case, you're going to have angle 80 degrees. So, having done that, we'll come here and say, therefore, area is equal to, so we'll punch it the way it is. You're going to have 0.5 multiplied by 8.08 multiplied by 6 multiplied by, that is sine 80 degrees. So we're getting 23.87 centimeters squared. That is the area of our triangle XYZ. Then going to question C, which says find the shortest distance from X to YZ. So this means you will create a perpendicular height up to YZ. So this becomes the height of the triangle. In other words, they want to find the height of the triangle. That is it, from X to YZ. So to do that, we bring in what we call the formula we use to find the area of a right-angled triangle, which is area is equal to half BH. In our formula here we have the A, which is the area. Area has already been found. The B will be the base. The base is the YZ, the one where you're going to. And the H automatically becomes the shortest distance in this case. So area will be 23.87 is equals to half multiplied by the B, or the base will be the YZ, which is 8.08. Then H. So from here, we'll simply say 8.08 multiplied by half. So that will give us 23.87 is equals to 4.04H. So to find H, we'll say over 4.04, here over 4.04. The two will divide, and therefore the H represents the shortest distance. Shortest distance in this case will be equal to, that is 23.87 divided by 4.04. We are getting 5.91 centimeters. This is the shortest distance from X to YZ. In other words, the perpendicular height of this triangle from X. Remember to subscribe if you are here for the first time, and hit the bell for new videos of such kind. See you next time when we'll be looking at the cosine rule.